You know what my biggest nightmare is? Waking up to breakouts. Oh, it's the worst. And if you've got acne prone skin like mine, you know how frustrating it is to deal with even one stubborn pimple. Seriously, I've tried everything to get rid of them. From besan to multani mitti to honey, you name it. I've put it on my face, but nothing has ever worked out. But guess what? I've found something that's actually been really effective. And no, it's not another ingredient from my kitchen. It's this anti-acne regime by VLCC Clinic. This is a 4-step anti-acne regime that has really turned things around for me. The first step is cleansing. I mean, no skincare regime starts without cleansing, especially if you have oily skin. So I'm using this VLCC Clinic Anti-Acne Face Wash, and right from the first wash, it controls oily skin and cleans away the gunk while making my skin feel lighter. It supports acne reduction and helps reveal a brighter skin complexion. I used to hate how greasy my face would get by midday, but this face wash keeps it in check. With powerful ingredients like salicylic acid and neem, this face wash is a total game changer. Next step is to nourish my skin using a face serum. This VLCC Clinic Pro Rescue Micro Serum is a superhero for my skin. I take few drops on my fingers and gently massage it on my face and see how it quickly absorbs. With ingredients like glycolic acid, ceramides and marine algae, this micro serum penetrates deep into my skin, exfoliating germs and impurities to reverse the damage caused by acne. It also locks in the moisture to prevent dryness and irritation. I love how it feels, light yet powerful. Did you know that if your skin barrier is damaged, it can also make acne worse? And that is why the next step is extremely important to hydrate and repair skin damage. And the VLCC Clinic Pro Rescue Bio Cream does a great job at it. It has Cerapep Complex, which deeply hydrates the skin through its unique light texture without making it oily. It has also a unique combination of peptides and ceramides, which repair and strengthen the skin barrier and balance moisture levels for youthful and clear skin. And in the final step, I apply this amazing clay mask. I do it for about twice a week. So the salicylic acid and green tea based VLCC Clinic Pro Bright Macrofilm Clay Mask helps in exfoliating icky gunk and excess oil from the skin, which helps in skin brightening. Since this one comes in a stick form, it's super easy to apply without getting your hands messy. Just wipe on a good amount, spread it all over your face and neck, and let it dry for 10 minutes. Then wash it off. So there you have it, my skincare routine to reduce acne at home. It's all about consistency and using the right products. So if you are struggling with acne, I highly recommend giving these a try. They have made such a difference to my skin, and I'm sure they can for you too.